This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, an iPod adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.